GBPUSD has not changed too much since the last week analysis, and we can see that the price is still in between 1.2781 and also 1.262. So the price is bouncing between these two price levels, and it's not finding any way to go outside of this range area. And we can see that this area is still active since starting of December last year, so almost 2 months. The price is ranging in between these two price levels, so there is no bulls or bears that could push the price outside of this range area. But we can see that there was attempt to make it happen. In the previous week, we can see that the prices tried to reach lower price level, but this didn't happen because this is all confluence of support. And we can see this week the price is bouncing and also tried to reach higher price level, where the price was bouncing back down. So it is in between these two price levels. If we check also on the weekly time frame, we can see that almost we have indecision candle where the price is jumping between these two price levels, which we have seen on the daily time frame. If we go to the monthly time frame, almost indecision candle formed on the chart, which means there is no pulse on the sellers pushing their price in their direction. But we can see that the price this candle has wicks going up to 1.278 and also on the lower side down to 1.25. So this month has been jumping around these two price levels, but we have 3 more days next week until this month ends, so we'll see how this goes. Until the price makes a breakout outside of this range area, anything can happen, so it is the best to wait until that happens. But based on what we can see here, there is no signal that could tell that we will see a bullish breakout or the bearish breakout, so everything is still open. There are no signals that the bulls are stronger or the sellers are stronger, because we can see the price is going down, going up, going down. So there is a possibility that the price on the weekly time frame will close a little bit on the higher price level. Daily time frame shows us everything, because we can see how this looks on the daily time frame until we can see the price breaking above on the upper side here and also on the downside here. We need to wait until we see price going outside and also clearing its way in any of the directions. So until the price has been pushed outside of this range here by the bulls, who will try to reach higher price levels, and that means we need to see the price closing above 1.278 price level. On the lower side, we need to see price closing below 1.26 price level, which is here at demand zone around this one. And if that happens, we could see the price reaching again this area here around 1.25 price level. So if the price breaks above, we can see that the next level where the price will reach is this one here, which is a very important level, 1.284 price level. If the price reaches this area, we can expect that the price will bounce from this area down, then returning and maybe confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one. If that happens during the week, I will also share the analysis inside the trading community. So I will also share what is the next goal, what is the target, and also what to watch out after the breakout happens. Regarding that, you can also find the link below the description, where you will see how to reach the trading community, where I share the daily analysis if something happens on the market. So that's all for today. See you next week and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.